Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Are you a chain smoker? Or do you live in such an area where air pollution is your next door neighbor? If yes, then you're in trouble. If not, then you're also in trouble. Actually, our lungs are one of the most ignored organs in our body. That's why every day we are subconsciously causing damage to our lungs and also unaware of the fact what is going to happen to our lungs at the end. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, exposure to air pollution results in 4.2 million deaths worldwide each year. Cigarette smoking is the cause of death for 1 in every 5 people in the United States. And the number is increasing day by day. Yep, you don't need to worry. There is a ray of hope. Right now, the only thing you need is a regular detoxification. It will help your lungs function smoothly and it will eventually help remove toxins from your lungs. In this video, I am going to show you an amazing drink that will clear the toxins from your lungs. Okay, smokers, non-smokers, and people exposed to air pollution are going to be benefited by this lung cleansing drink. You can prepare this drink at home with your own household ingredients. You just need to use them properly to make a perfect recipe. By the way, it won't take much time. Here are the ingredients that are required for lung detoxing. Number 1. 1½ glass of water. Number 2. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger or half nicely chopped fresh ginger. Number 3. Mint leaves, 10 pieces. Number 4. 1 tablespoon of honey. Number 5. Half of a lemon. Let's make this amazing drink. At first, take a glass of water into a pot. Now, put 1½ tablespoon of grated ginger or half nicely chopped fresh ginger into the pot. Then, add 10 pieces of mint leaves along with ginger. Then, boil with a minimum heat for 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling, use a strainer to strain the drink into a glass. When the water becomes cool, mix 1 tablespoon of honey and squeeze half a lemon into the drink. Stir the drink with spoon for a while. Finally, your drink is ready. How to take this drink? You can start with minimum intake like 4 glasses in a week and listen to your body's digestive system. After that, you can increase this lungs detox drink 7 times in a week. I hope you are going to have an amazing experience. Why these ingredients are so powerful? Ginger is a natural antibiotic, comes with anti-inflammatory properties which helps to break down mucus of your lungs. Mint leaves relax the muscles of the lung, so the elasticity of the lungs gets back to regular. Besides detoxing lung, it will also clear your throat and nose. Honey strengthens the immune system, treats colds, is great against bronchitis, and it cleanses mucus in the lungs. Lemon will soothe swollen breathing passages. Lemon also lubricant the passage to ensure the perfect flow of air. You will feel the change instantly. Things you should follow. For type 1 diabetes, a patient cannot take honey with the mixture. Type 2 diabetes, the patient can take honey, but not more than 1 tablespoon. If you have other health complications, I recommend you should speak to your doctor before taking this remedy. You must try this drink every day. And don't worry, all of these are backed by Ayurveda medicine and modern science. For more queries, I have also added some proofs at the end of this video description. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy. Stay fine.